All right, guys, we are leaving home. This place has been home for a few days because we are going to swap the last tire, the last two tires in the back in our favorite shop in Cyprus. Basically, he is our official tire mechanic, and we are going there now. And I wish we won't talk about tires for a while. See you later. Alright guys, today the mission is change the other tire of the van, and we came back to our friend Green Tire, Linglong. Alright, our friend is not here, but we got his son, Anas. Hello Anas!
Hi.
Hi. Alright, Anas, exactly like his father, straight away at work. So we're gonna change the tire. Let me grab the new one. Ready for the change. Does it look good for you?
Yes, it's very good.
And?
It's one flat because it's Pirelli from Malta.
All right. Good news, the Pirelli can run flat. It's a very good news. Guys, Anas is number one, very professional, and he's a very young guy. I will not say the age because it's private, but he's a very young guy. And he changed the tire in no time. Pirelli, run flat. That's good. Anna's powerful man. We're gonna put Linglong. First Linglong is on. So these are from the 25th week, 2024. The tire, they don't usually come 2025 until 6 months ahead. So now they start to come, because manufacturers have to sell first the old batch and then the new batch. And here we got the statistic of it. So here D is class consumption of fuel, and C is the performance under bad weather, and DB are the noise, decibel, B category. They're good. Now we are going to balance the wheel. Tires are not perfect, so we have to balance with little weight around. And also, it does help with the vibration of the car. In fact, the first two tires that his father put on, they do not vibrate at all. They did a very good job. That's why I came back here. So now we're gonna spin the tires. And you see inner and outer. So inner 5.5 gram, outer 16 gram. No?
Yes, yes. The 16 is the rim, the 5.5 it's the measurement.
Okay.
It means 40 from outside and 50 from the middle.
Okay, so 40 outside and 50 inside. Now we're gonna do another spin. Sorry?
If you look straight at the rear,
Yeah.
see it slowly goes.
All right. So still need 5 inside and 10 outside.
5 is okay, but then
And then you look straight at the wheel and you see if it spins.
you see it goes forward.
Yeah.
From the rim.
Okay, now it's time to put it then back. It's 2000 degrees outside. And actually, this video is dedicated to Manuel, my nephew. I miss him a lot. And without him, I couldn't build the van. So, ciao bello. I miss you.
Now has new shoes. On.
Nice shoes for Iveco. Look at the new shoes of Iveco. Nice. Now we are going to check the pressure of all tires. And then I go for a test drive. Linglong Tire shop, green shop. Alright guys, thank you so much to Anas and see you in the next one.